Hi guys, back with another video here on the Shimano diaphram XT brakes. This is a video where we're going to be fixing the diaphragm held in by the plastic end cap there, and let's jump straight into it, eh? So how we're going to remove this plastic end cap, it's pretty simple. Just need a screw and you're going to thread it into the hole at the end of the cap. Then you're going to get some pliers, screw it in a bit more, don't worry this doesn't damage anything on the inside of it, and just pull really hard. Alright, sorry I have to take it out of camera, but there you go, popped off there. See, you have to do quite a lot of tugging to get it off. And if you unscrew the screw, put that to one side, then what you would need to fix this is the repair kit. I got the one for the MT200 because they're the exact same. All of them are pretty much, but the MT200 one's cheaper, so just going to cut this open. This bit here, the rubber diaphragm, is very delicate and can pretty easily be damaged or broken, so you have to be pretty careful with it. So you want to get the new one. As you can see, it's pretty much the exact same as the old one. Just slot this in where it lips downwards. It's very easy to damage and apparently hard to slot on as well. Seems like it's on here. And what you want to do is put it in there, press it on, but the problem is got a little screw down there that we need to screw in place. Doesn't need much torque at all, and that should be good to go, and just bleed it again. So that's how you replace the rubber diaphragm in Shimano brakes.